Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring Jupyterlab and Python are current. This prevents package conflicts. Once installed, open your terminal, change into the project folder, and run Jupyterlab to launch the UI. Make a new Python 3 notebook and rename it so your work is organized. While creating the notebook, set the working directory to your project path so file reads and writes are deterministic. This saves time later. Also open a file browser pane to confirm files and virtual environment folders are visible. Now arrange your workspace. Split panes into a notebook, a console, and the file browser so you can run cells and inspect outputs side by side. Connect a console to your notebook kernel to run ad hoc commands without modifying code cells. Use the kernel menu to restart or switch kernels when dependencies change. Install and enable extensions like a variable inspector and Git integration to speed debugging and version control. Once done, tag important cells and use clear cell outputs to keep reproducibility intact. To finish work, run cells incrementally and then use run all to validate the full workflow. This ensures intermediate states aren't hiding bugs. When debugging, set breakpoints via the debugger, inspect variables with the variable inspector, and print concise summaries rather than entire objects to avoid clutter. Make frequent saves and create checkpoints. Export a notebook to Py or HTML to share results. If something breaks, restart the kernel and clear outputs, then rerun cells. That resolves most transient state issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.